What's up everybody, I hope you guys are doing well and keeping safe. Welcome to another exciting episode of Tangle in Tech, where you and I try and figure out the best tech for you. If this is your first time here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we come out with the latest tech news. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you would know that Apple shook the entire tech world by launching its latest M1 chipset in the 13-inch MacBook Air and the 13-inch MacBook Pro, which has completely changed the way we think of performance versus price. So today I'm really excited about unboxing the latest MacBook Air with you guys, and the configuration that I've gone with is the 8 gigs of RAM and the 512GB. Why this configuration? We'll talk about it in another video. So this is also my first experience with ordering any Apple products online, and trust me, it was absolutely seamless. It took about 10 days for the product to get delivered. As a matter of fact, the product got delivered a day prior to its earlier expected date. So I was really happy about that. So just to let you know, in case you're planning to order it online, if you go with the standard configuration, that is 8 gigs of RAM with either 256, 512 or 1 TB of SSD, it takes relatively shorter time. In case you start tweaking it up a little bit with maybe 16 gigs of RAM, it takes slightly longer, but the process is very seamless and you keep getting tracking information by Blue Dart. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So guys, this is what the package looks like, and this was delivered by Blue Dart. I have already opened up the package just to take a little sneak peek inside, as I could not contain my excitement, but we'll do the unboxing from here on together. And so this package is what it looks like. I've already opened this up, but here you have the MacBook Air. One really cool thing about this package was that if you take these flaps and pull them, the MacBook sort of lifts up together, which is quite a nice touch. So here it is, the MacBook Air, and just like the Apple packaging now, we do not need a... So here it is, the brand new MacBook Air with the M1 chip. Just to give you an idea, so I did end up taking the 8GB memory and the 512GB SSD. Of course, the AppleCare is above this, and the AppleCare is almost 22,000. So overall, this works out to be about 1.39. So let's open this up and see what's inside. The brand new box. So I'm upgrading to a new Apple laptop after almost 6.5 years. So I'm really excited as to how the performance has gone up in all these years. So once you open this up, so here it is, the space gray MacBook Air. We'll open this up in just a little while. Let's take a quick look as to... So here we have some paperwork, and also let's see if I can find it quickly. Yes. Space gray Apple stickers that we're all crazy about, and some usual paperwork by Apple. And we have the 30-watt charger. It's interesting to note that if you go in for the MacBook Pro, then you get a higher wattage charger, but with the MacBook Air, you have the 30-watt USB-C charger. So there it is. And here it is, guys. And let's open this up and have a look. It's quite light and it's much smaller than the previous. So it's quite light. And here it is. Let's open it up. The sound is back. Alright, so this is what the unboxing looks like, and this is what our new MacBook Air with the new latest M1 chip is like. So this is what it looks like. It's quite light and it's so overall the form factor remains the same, and you now have just two ports on one side that everybody has been complaining about, and the usual headphone jack on the other side. And overall the form factor is quite comfortable. And so this is what it looks like. I'm going to be spending the next couple of days pushing this MacBook Air to its limits and testing if the claims by Apple regarding its performance and battery life are actually true. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please let me know in the comments section what you feel about the latest M1 chip and what is your preferred configuration for the same. So if you aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now, hit that subscribe button, click on that bell icon. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you on the next one.